Nice day today, just dealing with some passing high-level clouds across the area. You can see on our latest satellite imagery, but look at the temperatures. We're already at 80 degrees. We have 75 in Las Cruces. You folks in Deming, out in Luna County at 76. We have 73 in Guadalupe Pass and some upper 70s and lower 80s out here in our far southeastern county. So everybody enjoying a very nice looking day. Tomorrow, we're going to be right around 49 degrees at 6 o'clock. If you're going to be heading out for an early bike ride, early walk or jog out there, 7 o'clock at 51. By 8 o'clock, we'll be at 55 degrees. So here's the change. We've been talking about this cold front coming in here, moving in from the northwest. It's going to slide in here. Not going to be a big dramatic event, but we are looking at gusts, low-end windy conditions. It will bring in a little cooler air. So tomorrow's going to be a little cooler day, but certainly not bad at all. So here's what we're talking about with the winds. Gusts at 35, so low moderate range, the windy category, down to 20 on your Thursday. Friday, we're going to be tracking another backdoor cold front, and this is going to kick the winds up to right around 30 miles an hour. But if you look at the upcoming weekend, we are not expecting any strong gusty winds, if anything in the breezy category. So all in all, looks like you have another great looking weekend taking shape. As we talked about with our latest Future Track computer model, some passing high-level clouds, but still a good bit of sunshine all across the area for tomorrow. Into tomorrow night, we're expecting clear skies as well. And even your Thursday is looking fairly nice with mainly sunny skies expected across the entire area. Friday doesn't look bad as well. So we got another nice looking Friday shaping up for you and even into the weekend. So here's the overnight lows. We're talking about temperatures in the upper 40s and lower 50s. Here's your highs tomorrow. Get a little cooler than what we had today. Some mid, maybe a few areas hitting the upper 70s, but again, the winds will pick up just a bit. You folks out of the east and northeast sides of town going to have some of the stronger winds, and that's why we anticipate those gusts at right around 35 miles per hour. Doña County for you folks. Your temperatures going to be working their way into the mid-70s as well, so a little cooler day than what you had today. Let's talk about the next several days. So we've got 75 tomorrow, 72 on Thursday. Gets a little bit cooler, but still right where we should be for this time of year. Friday at 71. The front comes in from the northeast, a backdoor cold front. So 71, a little cooler day, but the weekend looking good. We got sunshine in here Saturday and Sunday. Temps in the low 70s. Will stay generally in the low 70s for early next week as well, Mark.
Sounds good, Doppler. Thank you.